In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Visa gift card on eBay. This simple guide will help you navigate through eBay's checkout process using a Visa gift card as your payment method. Let's start by visiting the eBay website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to ebay.com. Once you're on the website, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see the sign in option. Click on it and sign in using your eBay account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, it's time to shop. Begin browsing through eBay's extensive range of items. When you find something you want, click on the item to view its details. You'll probably notice the Buy It Now button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this button will allow you to purchase the item immediately, bypassing the auction process. This is particularly helpful if you'd like to use your Visa gift card right away and don't want to wait for an auction to end. Upon pressing Buy It Now, you'll be redirected to the checkout page. Here, you need to select your payment method. Opt for credit or debit card as your payment option. Clicking on this choice will bring up an option that says Add New Card. Next, it's time to add your Visa gift card. If your card is new and hasn't been used on eBay before, you'll need to input the card details. Enter the 16-digit card number along with the expiration date and the CVV number, which can be found on the back of the card. It's crucial that your billing information matches the data associated with your card, with particular attention to the zip code. This will ensure that the transaction is processed smoothly without any issues. Once you've correctly entered all the necessary information, click on Done. Now it's your moment to review all the details of your purchase. Double-check everything from the item details to the payment information to make sure everything looks right. When you're satisfied and ready to proceed, click on Confirm and Pay. By following these steps, you'll effortlessly complete your eBay purchase using a Visa gift card. This method provides you with an alternative way to manage your finances or make use of that gift card you received. Don't forget, using the correct billing information is key to a successful transaction. If your payment is declined, it might be worth checking that your card balance covers your purchase, including any shipping fees, and confirming that all details entered match the registration of your card. There you have it, a straightforward approach to using a Visa gift card on eBay. Enjoy your shopping!